Pytes batteries power a better life. Welcome to Austria. We are located in the center of Austria, in middle of Europe. We have here an installation for a pig farmer, installed in June by Jan from adaptability. The main purpose of this installation is to provide an uninterrupted power supply for the whole business of farming with a Victron Energy multiplus 10K. In this example, 30 kVA of power combined with 10 modules of V5a from Pytes, 50 kilowatt hours of storage available for about 40 kV peak installed as PV on the roof. The installation supports all the required actions, runs smoothly for more than half a year, and the customer is happy. Nice and neat installation. Pytes batteries power a better life.